Chapter 6. Stepwise Thinking. Objective. Reasoning and problem solving. Objectives of stepwise thinking. Illustrations of stepwise thinking. Introduction. We all use some sequence of steps to perform any task. In order to complete a task, you need to think about the steps that can be followed, and you also need to think about the outcome of the steps. This is called stepwise thinking. Stepwise thinking is a step-by-step planning to perform any activity. For this, you need to find out the main and detailed sequence of steps. This can be done by thinking in a logical way, which is called reasoning. Then, follow these stepwise instructions to get the desired result, which is called problem solving. So, to perform any activity or task, we need two things. One is reasoning and the other is problem solving. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Suppose you are asked to switch on the computer system. You can do it with the help of stepwise thinking. Switch on the main power supply. Switch on the UPS button. Switch on the central processing unit. Switch on the monitor. If the above written steps are not followed in sequence, you may not be able to switch on the computer. If you do not switch on the main power supply, then other steps may not help you to switch on the computer system. So, each step has its own importance, which should not be skipped while performing the task. Objectives of stepwise thinking. Analyze the task. Break up the task into simple steps. Find the possible solution. So, stepwise thinking is helpful in converting the complex tasks into simple steps and predict the possible outcome to achieve the goal. Some steps need to be followed in sequence to accomplish a task, but in some cases, you can change the sequence which does not affect the result of the activity. Example: suppose your mother asks you to clean your room, so you will just clean your bed. Put toys in a toy box. Place books and notebooks in your school bag. Put your shoes in the shoe rack. If you do not follow this exact sequence or change the sequence of steps, you will not be able to get the desired outcome. In the next section, you will get some illustrations of stepwise thinking and see how these tasks can be done in a stepwise sequence. Illustrations of stepwise thinking. Illustration 1. Your grandmother wants a cup of tea. Write down the steps to make tea with the help of your mother. Switch on the gas. Take a pan and add water to it. Put the pan on the flame. Add sugar and tea. Then add milk. When it comes to boil, switch off the gas. Pour the tea into the cup. Serve it to your grandmother. Illustration 2. Your younger brother fell down while playing in the garden. His knee is bleeding. Help him by giving him first aid. Ask your brother to calm down. Take out a water bottle. Clean his wound with water. Take out a handkerchief from your bag. Wrap the handkerchief around his wound. Take him to your mother. Illustration 3. Your mother is not at home and you are feeling hungry. Write down the steps to make a sandwich. Take out the bread slice. Take out the cheese from the refrigerator. Take a spoon. Spread the cheese on the bread with the help of a spoon. Sprinkle some salt on it. put another bread slice on it. Enjoy your meal. Illustration 4. Your teacher asks you to draw a fish. Draw a fish using this step-by-step procedure. A quick review. Stepwise thinking is a step-by-step planning to perform any activity. Thinking in a logical way is called reasoning. Following stepwise instructions to get the result is called problem solving. Each step has its own importance, which should not be skipped while performing the task. Stepwise thinking is helpful in converting the complex tasks into simple steps and predict the possible outcomes to achieve the goal.